A very good morning to you all, and hope you are all keeping well. Today I am come up with a tea which is called Kashmiri KahwaTea. Okay, and welcome to Wells Quick Tips and Trick YouTube cooking channel with this Kashmiri KahwaTea. Now, in many years ago, I had my many friends who were Kashmiri in Goa, and they used to rent out the shop next to my shop. I was also renting it out, and we were like as a family, and we used to pass on our food to each other. So that time they used to always give me in the afternoon time, that is after lunch or anything, this kahwa tea, and I used to drink that, but I used to not know the flavors that time and why it is so important. So in Kashmir it is very cold, and sometimes it's a snowfall, and whoever comes to Kashmir, their welcome drink will be a kahwa tea, Kashmiri kahwa tea. So if you go to Kashmir and if you don't have this kahwa tea, that means you have not known Kashmir. They say like that. So I thought to bring in my cooking channel this Kashmiri tea. So let's start, and it is very few ingredients what you need, which is there in the kitchen. The only thing might be not there, that is that kesar. So we need 4 cups of water, plain water for that. So I have taken a measurement of this. Okay, so you can do 4, 5, 6 because it's very tasty and yummy. So we need 4 cups of plain water. Then we need some sugar. Then we need, we don't have a Kashmiri green tea. So I have taken Kettle green tea. You can use any company. I have used in Kettle green tea. You can take whole leaves or tea bags, but I will be opening it up and putting it. So I'm taking for 4 cups, I'm taking this 2 teaspoon. It is 2 teaspoon. Then we need some rose petals, optional, dry rose petal, like around 4, and you chop them nicely. Then we need this cinnamon stick. Then we need some around 4. So I've taken the cinnamon stick like this, around 2 you can say. Then we need around 4 cardamoms, green cardamoms, whichever cardamoms is there in your kitchen. I'm not going to crush it, but I'm going to just put along with this. Then we need 4 cloves. 4 cloves. And we need some almonds. Okay. Now almonds has to be chopped like this. So here is the almonds which I've already chopped, but I can show you. I've taken a knife and I've just chopped this. Till then I will keep this on the gas. So here it is. So if you have, again, it builds up your immune system, and it's very helpful when you have this cough, cold. It's very effective too, to keep you warm. So this is the almonds which I have taken, around 10 almonds, and I have chopped it this way. So this will go later in garnishing. And we need around 14 strands of kesar, that is saffron. It's very expensive. It's around 450 rupees for this. Okay, so you have to count and take like 14 of this. So I will keep this ready. I will put later. Okay, but 14 only you have to put. That's to give a additional flavor. So let's start. My gas is on. So now first of all, we will keep these 3 things aside, and we will be needing this to go eat it in the tea. So here we go. So I will add my rose petal in this, the cloves, cinnamon stick, and my cardamoms, and I will use a 7 strand of this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 7 I can garnish it later in each cup around 2. So it is like nice aroma of this. And now we will cover this and simmer this for 4 minutes. Okay, so we will simmer this for 4 minutes. And let this get nicely boil. Okay, so 4 minutes. And now like I have used almonds, okay, almonds, chopped almonds, but you can also add cashew nuts. That's what my Kashmiri friends used to tell me. You can use cashew nuts also, and you can use pistachio, and you can use akroot also. So you can use your dry fruits how you want, because it comes as a garnishing when you are serving it. So, and it's very tasty. Then some don't prefer sugar. So instead of sugar, you can add honey, but some says honey doesn't go well with this specialty. So it depends upon you how you want and how you would like to serve it. So now the boil is coming over here. So I want the especially the rose petals and all to have a nice flavor to this tea. Now in my previous video I have put about a herbal tea, that was like herbal tea and that is mint herbal tea, which I had uploaded a video, and I got few this on that it's not called tea, but in India whenever we boil or whenever we cook anything, the spices, that is called a tea. They said for me to say it as a drink, but drink is like if you are making like without cooking or without boiling, but I don't know, maybe they are right. I don't want to say, but for us it is herbal tea. So now we have to wait for 4 to 5 minutes. So now as it is nicely boiled and cooked, this what we put like cardamoms and all that. So now we will put off the gas and we will put our green tea in that. Never boil green tea, otherwise it will turn bitter. So you can directly put this like this, or you can add this way too. Now again we have to close this and wait for 5 minutes this way. I don't want my steam to go out. So here it is. I don't want any steam to go out. So again we will wait for 5 minutes and then we will serve it. So here my tea is ready, and serving is up to you how you want to serve. But in Kashmir they serve in a bowl and they give spoon so that you can enjoy the almonds. So here is the tea. And I've also put in this also, and I'm just showing you how to serve. And then you can add this rose petal for garnishing and some chopped almonds on this. Okay, so you can put lots and lots in this almonds, and sugar according to your taste. So I am using only a little bit because I prefer without sugar to have this tea because it's green tea. But if you all want this sweetness, then you can add sugar, or you can, or don't use this. Okay, so this is one way of serving, and the other way is serving is in this glass like this, and then you can add this chopped. So this is another way. So whichever way you want to serve it. You want to add sugar, add sugar. Don't want to add sugar, don't add sugar. And again I'm saying green tea leaves, you can have the strongest version also, and instead of, for 4 cups, instead of 2 teaspoons, you can add around 3 teaspoons to make it stronger, how strong you want the tea. But this is the original way of Kashmiri style, and they never have any spicy food much, and also very bland, everything is bland, their cuisine. So, and you can add this strands if you want to add it for more garnishing, and enjoy this. Okay, thank you so much for watching this, and hope you will enjoy this Kashmiri Kahwa tea. Thank you.